Alright, ladies and gentlemen, here we go. Bohemian Hunting Club, bringing y'all a Bohemian double feature, brought to you by Smoky Oak. Yes, Smoky Oak, makers of fine products. And what are we doing today? Well, we got the Hornady Critical Defense and the PDX round in 410. We're going to show you all the pattern between the two at 10 yards. And in the second half of this double feature, we're going to show y'all the difference between the splashes they make. So y'all stay tuned and see what happens. Alright, here we go. We're at about 10 yards. Gonna just do a spread difference between the Critical Defense and the PDX in 410. If this is something you're using for home defense, you know, whether it be, you know, if you're using a shotgun pump, single shot, double barrel type deal. Not like a Judge or a Derringer or anything like that. So here we go. We're gonna see the difference between the two right downrange. We're going to do the Critical Defense first because it's only 3. It's got the Sabbath and the 2 balls behind it. And the PDX has the copper disc and the BBs behind that. So let's see what we got at 10 yards. 10 yards. We got the Critical Defense right here. And then we have the PDX right here. You see the disc going in and the spread with the pellets behind it. That's definitely would be a better choice than this. This is definitely going to be a more harder hitting defensive shell than this. But as you see, and that's the wad from the PDX. That's the wad from the Critical Defense. So there's your comparison between the two, if you were wondering that, at 10 yards. So now in this double feature, we're going to do the splashdown test between the two at 10 yards. Stay tuned. Here we go. Doing the splashdown between the PDX and the Critical Defense. Going to do the Critical Defense first. Shooting to the left. First, splash down. All right. All right, here we go. We have, this is the PDX hitting, and that is the Critical Defense. There you go. Splash down. Thanks for watching. It's up to y'all to decide what you think will work best for you. But that's the difference in this double feature. We showed the pattern between the two, and then we seen the difference in the splash. Thanks for watching.